O God, bless us and all in the world with peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. Hello friends. Today we are going to see stress relief simple meditation. In modern world, most of the people are having so many kinds of stress, tension, especially for the past 2 years, all students and parents are having stress because of online classes going on. The teachers are also having so many kinds of stress. So how to get head relief of this kind of stress and tension? Only by way of meditation. So very simple meditation. While seeing meditation, what is meditation? First one should understand a man should be endowed with broad thinking, not shallow thinking, crooked thinking. So I am having stress, I am tension, always people are having I am tension, I am stress. You should understand the way of life, broad thinking. What is the inner parts of the organs and in our body, how our body and mind will functioning. What is the important source, prana shakti is having in our body. I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am not the prana. Then who am I? You should realize, penetrate your mind. Think always, who am I? That is called a man should be endowed with broad thinking. The end of broad thinking is the beginning of self-realization. Who am I? I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am not the prana, I am not the knowledge, that is called buddhi in Tamil. Then I am Sat Chit Ananda Swarupa. I am having spiritual waves, wonderful spiritual waves in our body, which is in our fifth layer, that is called Atma. So a man should be endowed with broad thinking. The end of broad thinking is the beginning of self-realization. The end of self-realization is the beginning of concentration. You should concentrate in your body. The end of concentration is the beginning of meditation. You realize, oh, wonderful Atma is having in our body, which is inside. Spiritual waves of spiritual body is inside. The end of meditation is the beginning of salvation. The end of salvation is the mukti, moksha. So one should understand stress, tension is not you. I am not the stress, I am not having tension, I am Sat Chit Ananda Swarupa. How can you realize and how can you know and how can you get experience that is I am Sat Chit Ananda Swarupa? That is by way of practicing simple meditation technique. Sit in a straight, your backbone should be in a straight, hands should be meditation mudra like this. This is called in Tamil Dhyana Mudra, meditation mudra. Left hand downward, put your right hand upward, join your thumb finger like this. This is called meditation mudra. Close your eyes, watch your breathing gently for 10 to 20 seconds. Focus your mind to your head outer parts of your muscles. Think that all tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply with the help of your mind. Deeply relax. Then shoulder outer parts of our muscles. Focus your mind on that part. Deeply relax. The tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply. Right hand outer parts of our muscles, concentrate on that part, deeply relax. The tension on that muscles is now releasing, relax deeply. Left hand outer parts of our muscles, concentrate on that part, deeply relax. Just outer parts of our muscles, focus your mind on that part, relax deeply. Stomach outer parts of our muscles, deeply relax. Right leg outer parts of our muscles, concentrate on that part. Think that the tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply with the help of your mind. Left leg outer parts of our muscles, deeply relax. First you have to practice relaxation of outer parts of the muscles from head to toes. Then focus your mind to your brain inside. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. There is no tension, there is no stress on that part. Relax deeply. Pituitary and pineal gland, which is nearer to your brain, concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Throat inside, thyroid and parathyroid, focus your mind on that part. Relax deeply. There is no tension on that part. Deeply relax. Heart inside, thymus gland, concentrate on that part. Relax deeply. There is no tension on that part. Deeply relax. Stomach inside, large and small intestine, pancreas, concentrate on that part. Relax deeply. Right leg and left leg inside, concentrate on that part. There is no tension on that part. Deeply relax. Now inhale very slow and deeply both the nostril. Exhale very slow and deeply both the nostril. Ten times. While inhaling, think that you are receiving energetic prana in your entire inner parts of our organs. While exhaling, think that all tension, stress, body pain, everything is released. You are free from entire tension. Now focus your mind to your Agnya chakra in between the two eyebrows. Concentrate on that part deeply. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner for 5 minutes. Just closely watch your breathing in between the two eyebrows. Now there is no tension in your inner parts of our organs. There is no tension in your outer parts of our muscles. You are giving complete rest for your breathing also. Just to closely watch your breathing. 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then slowly open your eyes. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly open your eyes. Come to normal position. This is very simple technique of meditation, stress relief meditation. Outer parts of the muscles, inner parts of the organs, all stress definitely will be relieved and you will attain peaceful mind. You will get wonderful prana energy in your entire body. Every object has got a center. There is no object without center. There is no object in the world. There are so many objects towards the center. The center has got a center within. That is called Atma, spiritual body. Suppose if I take a compass instrument and put one round of circle, then I have to reduce the compass and inner parts of the circle, inner parts of the circles, inner parts of the circles. I am able to create so many circles in one object. Then the compass is joined. The center has got a center within. That is called soul. That is called Atma. So if you practice stress relief meditation like this daily, morning and evening, you have to continuously practice daily. without expecting any result, 1 year, 2 year, you definitely realize the center has got a center within, the body has got a center. You realize you have got an experience. Yes, I am having experience in our body has got a center. That body has got a center. The center has got a center within, that is called the spiritual body, Atma, pranic energy. You can get so many kinds of spiritual waves, wonderful pranic energy you can get through your inner parts of the fifth layer Atma. So I request one and all to practice this simple way of meditation daily 3 times. 10 minutes is enough. Definitely all kinds of stress, all kinds of tension will be relieved, and you can lead your life in a healthy and happy manner. Practice meditation, attain salvation. O God, bless us and all in the world with peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. Thank you.
பதஞ்சலி டிவியை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.